Welcome to the World Autism Academy. Today we have Miss Stacey Shah, who is with the Energy Source.
Yes.
Yeah, as you can see in her very nice pink uniform. I love the color pink. And she's basically a speech therapist with them, a very senior therapist, I believe, who's been in the business for at least 10 over years. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. So we're doing this project because so April's coming up, right? And so April is Autism Awareness Month. Where essentially we want to talk about what it is, so that people get more aware of it, they get more empathy, they start to understand a little bit more about, family members and friends, who may have children who may be in the ASD spectrum, and hopefully, with people becoming more aware, intervention could step in earlier as well, so that the children, especially